Let me tell you something most people won't say out loud. You don't think like the wealthy. Not because you're not smart, but because no one ever taught you how. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how rich people make money and how you can too. Because they don't hustle harder, they don't work longer hours, they just think differently. And that changes everything. The rich, they play a completely different game. And they started learning the rules long before they had money. Let's be honest. You were trained to be a worker. They were trained to be owners. And if that sounds dramatic, good. Because what you're about to learn will either wake you up or make you uncomfortable. Either way, you're not leaving this video the same. Today, we're breaking down how rich people think about money and how that mindset shift can take you from stressed to unstoppable. Stick with me. You're about to hear 9 major mindset differences. And if you apply even one of them, it could change your entire trajectory. 1. Rich people think in systems, not paychecks. You were told, go to school, get a job, earn a salary. The rich were told, build something once, get paid forever. See the difference? You think, how can I make money this month? They think, how can I build something that prints money next year? One is survival, the other is strategy. Be honest, do you have to wake up tomorrow and work or things fall apart? If yes, you're working in a system built for someone else's wealth. 2. Rich people know money is a game. They don't get emotional, they get educated. The average person panics when markets dip. The wealthy, they buy the dip because they know history repeats. Money isn't magic, it's math, psychology, and timing. The moment you realize money is a game, you stop playing like it's survival. 3. They buy back time. Poor mindset. Let me save $20 by doing this myself. Wealthy mindset. Let me pay $20 so I can focus on what makes me $200. They understand the value of time, not just the cost of things. Time is the one thing you can never earn back. So they guard it, invest it, and buy it back with leverage. Every minute you waste doing what someone else could is a minute stolen from your future. 4. Rich people see money as a tool, not a goal. If your only goal is make more money, you'll never have enough. Why? Because the goal is empty. Rich people give money a job, to buy freedom, to create impact, to buy time with people they love. Money is the fuel, not the destination. If money doesn't have meaning in your life, it'll never show up in abundance. 5. They build, not just earn. Most people work to earn money. The rich work to build something. An audience, a product, a company, and the scary part, you could work your whole life and still own nothing. The shift. Let's flip the script. So how do you shift your thinking? How do you start thinking like the rich without already being rich? Here are 4 thought upgrades that flip your entire perspective. From I can't afford it, how can I afford it? This one shift changes your brain from shutdown mode to creative mode. Wealthy people don't kill ideas because of price. They get resourceful. From spending, investing. Most people ask, what's the cheapest way? The wealthy ask, what's the smartest way? They invest in tools, mentors, systems, things that pay them back. From entertainment, education, Netflix, TikTok, endless scrolling. That's how most waste 4 hours a day. The rich, they binge podcasts, books, strategy, leverage. Want to be rich? Start learning what they learn. From scarcity, abundance. A poor mindset fears competition. A rich mindset sees collaboration. There's enough money for everyone, but not enough belief. You either see the world as a pie or as an oven. Urgency. Why this matters now. Here's the scary part. Every day you think small, the cost compounds. The job you hate, you're losing time. The savings you delay, you're losing momentum. The business you put off, you're losing opportunity. The world is moving fast. Wealth is being built in silence. And if you're not playing the game differently, you're being played. The question is, when do you wake up and start thinking like the 1%? What to do now? So, what's next? Shift your thinking, then shift your actions. You don't need $1 million to start. You just need $1 million mindset. And the most powerful mindset weapon of all, compounding. The rich don't chase quick wins. They multiply smart ones over time. And I break it all down in my next video. The power of compounding. How the smallest financial moves can explode into massive wealth. Click it on your screen now, or hit the link in the description. Subscribe for more clear, real, and strategic videos on wealth, freedom, and smart money moves. You're not behind, you're just early. Let's go.